How many more days till Christmas?
You know, it's a few. It's Saturday, Sunday, okay? And Hanukkah is tonight. You know, you got 8 days of gift buying. And then you got Kwanzaa. The bottom line is, I still don't know what I'm getting here.
Is that Hanukkah? Hanukkah's 8 days of gift buying? Is that what they know?
It's the Festival of Lights. It's 8 days, and, you know, they do give the children eight gifts.
All right, there are some people out there who have not purchased everything, including Rosanna. Let's see. We have with us Hayden Lynch. He's the senior editor of something called Thrillist.com. He comes in a couple of times a year to share with us some unique gifts. Welcome back.
Thank you for having me.
What is Thrillist.com?
Thrillist is a daily e-publication, tells you the greatest things to do in your city, geared towards guys.
Now, are you getting any money from any of the products?
Absolutely not. You can't buy editorial. This is all totally legit.
All right, so let's talk about some of the items that you have.
Okay, we'll start with the Hugh Sims tie. Tie might seem a little bit passé, but this is a tie with a twist. You see, this one hides a beer bottle opener.
Stop it. You have a beer bottle opener there?
I do.
Does it really work?
It really does. Would you like me to open one up? We can do this right here. Even made the noise.
Well done. Pass it over.
It's only cream soda. And it comes in this little...
Yeah, it comes in a little tin package, really nice.
How much does it go for?
Only $75.
All right, let me ask you something, Hayden. I noticed they're all skinny ties.
They
Can you get a wide tie, say, for the businessman?
I don't think so. I'm not sure that the beer bottle opening tie is for the business.
That's true. Good point, Hayden.
HR.
Yes.
Although it is very, you know, undercover. I like it.
Work hard, play hard, do it at the same time.
I like it.
Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country.